Hello and farewell to the Logan Avenue off-ramp and on-ramp to the Gardiner Expressway here in Toronto. Very particular to myself because I do take this section of Toronto or drive it frequently, and this is my actual gateway to the highway system in Toronto and beyond. So unfortunately it will be leaving us, much like most of this section of the Gardiner, which used to actually extend all the way down here past this section of the Lakeshore to Leslie Street. That is long gone, and there's relics of that as well in this section, which I'll include. But most importantly, here are some on-ride shots, or footage that is, of course, of the Logan Avenue on-ramp and off-ramp at different times of the day. This Logan Avenue off-ramp, which is rather notorious for those of us that have driven this section of Toronto a lot. And unfortunately, the challenges associated with it, including trying to merge in time to get onto Carlaw, the Carlaw exit, or the left onto Carlaw, which is the first actual exit that you can get as far as a residential street is concerned off of Lakeshore. That'll make sense to people that know what I'm talking about. Enjoy some on-ride POVs of what is the last official day of this bridge existing in Toronto before the DVP officially ends with the Gardiner beginning and there being no third section to that, as you'll see in the videos. Not sure if I've done it justice, but I figured I'd do an impromptu vlog just covering the last day here, and also maybe the changes as they occur over the next couple of weeks, months, and beyond, as this section of Toronto is going to change significantly over the next decade. Enjoy, farewell, Logan Avenue off-ramp and on-ramp. As you can see behind me, where this section of the bridge is, or at least leading to the Gardiner, that this actually was part of the original Gardiner, and only about 20 years ago they had left it somewhat intact, possibly for bigger visions for the Gardiner project that have taken many forms over the years. Now this whole area will be gone in a short matter of months as it's torn away for a complete redevelopment of this area, as you can see behind me and beyond to that side there. In 20-30 years, this whole section of Toronto will look entirely different than it does now, or it has done for the better part of almost 100 years. So it's exciting, despite the fact that we are losing this structure, which is really iconic for those that live in, say, the Leslieville and east side of Toronto as well.